Hello friends, welcome to Pure GK World. Today I'm going to teach you how to add and subtract using Excel formulas. It's very simple. So let's get started without any delay. As you can see, we are going to open Excel and I'm going to click on blank workbook, a new blank workbook. Yes, it's a complete blank workbook as you can see. So we are going to do something like this: birthday celebration contribution. So you are going to celebrate your friend's birthday and you got contribution from your friends. So I'm going to add some names over here. So names like Akshay, Ravi. Keep on pressing enter so that it comes down. Sunil, Pawan. So I have added 10 names over here. Now all these 10 peoples have contributed amount of rupees 60. Okay, so we are going to add 60. Just click on one amount and drag it till the last name. Okay, the 60 has been added all over here. Now instead of using a calculator, we are going to use a formula to add all this amount. So we will type as total over here, and in the next cell we are going to add the formula is equal to sum. See, it's reflecting automatically. Bracket, open bracket. Now you are going to select, click on the first name and drag it till the end. See, the formulas are coming B4 ratio B13. What does that mean? B4 means B column and fourth row. Okay, B13 means B column and 13th row. I hope you get it. Now close the bracket and enter. See, we got the total. Okay, is it simple, right? And if you want to see the formula again, just double click on it. See, and press enter. Now here we are going to do a subtraction as well. You have some amount from the previous birthday, like remaining amount, and that remaining amount is 150 rupees. Now you want to subtract it, so we are going to subtract now, and we are going to use a formula for a subtraction. Likewise is equal to. So why we are adding is equal to in Excel formula? Whatever formula you use in Excel, it starts with is equal to. So make sure you add is equal to first, is equal to, then click on E column fourth row, like means at 600 click on it. Sorry, before that you have to add a bracket, is equal to minus 150, click on 150, bracket close, enter. See, you got the answer 450. Isn't it simple? I'll tell you the formula again. See, double click on that, is equal to E column fourth row minus E column fifth row. Simply you have to click on 600, then add minus, then click on 150 and close the bracket, enter. Now we will make it looking a professional kind of look, to add a professional kind of look into it. Okay, so let's get started with that. I'll just add a color. for names, for amount, for total, and for remaining amount. See, it looks nice, right? Doesn't it look good, right? Okay, so we have successfully learned how to do sum in Excel and how to subtract. If you like my channel, please subscribe and share. And thank you for watching Pure GQ World. See you soon, guys.